Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to episode 1 of the Cadillac Chronicles. I am Vashawn Jones, visionary of Fedora, Outlier, LLC. Yup, you knew that, but listen. So, I've been in 4 plays in my life, right? And I looked at the director and the big picture that she has. And on the 4th play, which is the last one we just did, I started to think about how can this be better? Not better from the standpoint of what the audience see, but from the people that are actually in the play. Because if we can get that managed, then the big picture will be realized and it will be a success. And what it made me think about, growing up, me and my mom used to put together these huge puzzles, like the ones that like go on the wall as pictures once you put them together. And they're little teeny pieces, you know, and I don't know, 500, 1,000, I don't know how many pieces it was, but it was a lot, and they were really small. But the thing about it is, once you get the right piece into place, then it's there. It's in its place, and now you need to move on. So you see the big picture on the box, but it's the little things that you have to get right for the big picture to be realized, right? And so that's the same thing with the play. The director has the big picture. She can see everything as how she wants it to go. But if you don't manage the small things, especially in life, if you don't master those things, it'll conquer you at the top, right? It's anything. It's a snowball effect. If you don't manage it when it's a small problem, ignoring it or not dealing with it, it's going to become a big problem until you're forced to deal with it. It's just like our health. You know, if we don't deal with it when it's manageable, guess what? It's going to come a time where you're going to be forced to deal with it, you know? And so that's the whole thing about the puzzle piece and about the play and all of that. You see the big picture. And so you have goals, you got dreams, you got things that you picture in your head, you got things that you see, and you can see them vividly. But guess what? It's going to be the small steps that you get right that's going to get you there, that's going to allow you to be able to realize the big picture. Does that make sense? Yes? No? Listen, leave it in the comments, right? Leave it in the comments. Talk to me. I talk back. All right. So listen, like, share, subscribe. This is Vashawn Jones. This is Ep 1 of the Cadillac Chronicles. Puzzle pieces. All right. You guys know what it is. Let's change the world. Let's change the world together.